This burrito is delicious, but it is filling.
If you didn't know, potatoes are actually a superfood. They're very good for you, they're nutritious, they're great for your health. The problem is they become bad when you drench them in oil or deep fry them in oil or add a bunch of butter to them. That's when they're not good for you. But potatoes by themselves are extremely good for your health, and you don't necessarily have to sacrifice taste, which is exactly what I'm going to teach you right now on how to prepare them. So one of those ways is that anytime that you want to have like crispy potatoes or something like what we're going to do, or like mashed potatoes, the trick here is that you just boil the potatoes on high heat until they are like super soft, and you can pass a butter knife through them. Like, that's the key, and this is where a lot of people mess up, is that they only boil them until they're kind of in between. You want to make sure they're super soft, and again, that's the big part right here. So of course you want to think about 45 minutes ahead before you start this meal, so that you can start boiling the potatoes, and that's your final step. But anyways, the trick here is, again, boil the potatoes until they are super soft, and you can add some black pepper, some salt, and you can use like 2 or 3 ounces to make breakfast burritos, and again, you're not going to sacrifice any taste. They're going to taste just as good as any other type of hash brown or sweet or soft potato dish.